Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav Bisa from InCred Equities. Nifty witnessed some amount of profit booking on Friday's trade. It was not very severe. Also, there was a bounce back from lower levels. So, more or less, Nifty closed with positive gains, though it gave away a certain part of that. What is interesting is how Nifty is traversing from the current levels. The reason being that we have seen very strong and robust upside in the last couple of weeks. And now Nifty is approaching its 200 exponential moving average on daily charts. Fresh upsides will be seen once Nifty gives a close above these levels. A failure to do so can result in some amount of profit booking. Another interesting aspect is RSI, which on hourly charts is trading or is traveling around 85, 86 levels. Now, these are the levels which have been not just overbought or extreme zones, but also they are in the range where we have seen profit booking coming in previous occasions. So, a combination of 200 exponential resistance and RSI being at critical resistance areas can result in some amount of profit booking. Any rise of 50, 60 points from here on can be utilized to create fresh short positions in Nifty index going forward. Interestingly, similar is the case with Sensex also, where prices are approaching 200 exponential resistance on daily charts. Also, there's a falling channel resistance which is placed near the 200 exponential resistance. RSI is also the same, around 85, 86. It may also see profit booking happening. If you see broader markets, the RSI on hourly chart is the same level for them as well. However, they are 2-3% away from their respective 200 exponential moving average. So some amount of upsides, some outperformance can be seen in broader market, but overall, the chances are that we may see profit booking coming, some consolidation happening this week for Nifty as well as Sensex. US markets closed on a positive note. One can always argue it was a flattish note. Nevertheless, they were trading in a negative zone, but there was a pullback and they entered into positive zone. So let us give where the credit is due. And that has resulted in some spike in GIFT Nifty as well, which is showing 60, 65 points upside as we speak. And that is good. As I said, any rise, I would not call this as a gap up thing, but a positive opening of 60, 70 points would be a lucrative proposition to add shorts. One can keep a stop loss of 24,500. So if you are opening with 60, 70 points gain, we'll be crossing 24,400. One can keep a stop loss of 24,500 and play for, I'm sorry, one can keep a stop loss of 23,500 and one can play for a target of 23,000. So that is how one can look at things. Nothing much to add beyond that. Let us focus on stocks. It's going to be stock specific activity. There are certain sectors that are looking good. We'll discuss more about that in detail tomorrow. I'll be coming out with the report today, so I'm not able to speak today in today's call. But things are looking good across the space. We have seen buying interest being emerging. The volumes are picking up. That's a good sign. So that will be all from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.